Hollywood, in which they'll be having a nighttime spectacular show. For more
Nice. Yeah. Okay.
Universal CityWalk in Hollywood is a vibrant entertainment and retail complex located adjacent to Universal Studios Hollywood. It's a popular destination for both tourists and locals, offering a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. The area features numerous restaurants, bars, shops, a movie theater, live entertainment venues, and more, making it a lively spot day or night. It's known for its energetic atmosphere and diverse array of experiences, catering to a wide range of tastes and interests. Universal CityWalk Hollywood harbors intriguing secrets beyond its bustling facade. Not widely known is its starring role in numerous movies and TV shows, with scenes from films like Austin Powers and Goldmember and The Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, filmed on-site, offering cinephiles a chance to tread the paths of their beloved characters. Previously housing the Gibson Amphitheater, a renowned music venue, this space made way for the wizarding world of Harry Potter in 2013. Its star-studded opening in 1993 drew the likes of Will Smith and Steven Spielberg, solidifying its status as a celebrity hotspot. Evolving from a shopping and dining district, CityWalk now boasts diverse entertainment options such as mini-golf, virtual reality experiences, and live performances on the CityWalk stage. Among its varied offerings are unique boutiques and shops, showcasing Hollywood-themed merchandise and trendy clothing, enriching the experience beyond mere entertainment and dining. Universal CityWalk Hollywood is known for its ever-evolving landscape, frequently introducing fresh experiences for visitors. Constantly innovating, the complex regularly unveils new dining venues, ranging from restaurants to unique food stalls, each offering diverse cuisines and flavors. Entertainment remains a focal point, often showcasing live music, comedy acts, or special events, adding an extra layer of excitement to the lively atmosphere. Additionally, CityWalk frequently updates its retail offerings, introducing new shops and boutiques featuring everything from Hollywood-themed merchandise to trendy fashion and specialized goods. Seasonal events, collaborations, and promotions tied to popular culture or movie releases might also be on the agenda, providing visitors with exciting, limited-time experiences. For the most current updates on what's new at Universal CityWalk Hollywood, it's best to check their official website or social media channels.
and visit our Wizarding World at Harry Potter, in which they'll be having a nighttime spectacular show. For more information in regards to our nighttime spectacular show entitled Wizarding World at Harry Potter, be sure to download our Universal CityWalk Hollywood app on your phone or on smart maps. Current wait times on each rides and attractions and on your feature, including mobile ordering on selected restaurants. Once again, to get inside the theme park with your ambassador, be sure to have all of your tickets ready to go before approaching our guest entrances.
Molly, don't do it on the dirty stuff. Molly, listen. Don't play with that here because it's dirty.
I think it should be here.
Nice. Yeah. I got you.
Thank you for joining me on this captivating stroll. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the magic of Hollywood's heartbeat at Universal CityWalk.